Hey guys, so far you saw that we landed in Yerevan. We took the 3-hour free walking tour of Yerevan on the same evening. We also visited the St. Gregory, the Illuminated Cathedral, and after that we headed to the Vernissage Market, which is the craft market of Yerevan. Yesterday we had the most amazing trip to the Lake Sivan and the Temple of Garni. After that, we finished our day with having dinner and yummy craft beer at the Dargit Craft Beer Cafe. And the journey continues. Good morning, guys. So it's the fourth day, and oh my, the time is flying so fast. I can't believe it. We just have a couple of more days to go, and I'll be back to Dubai. So today I am getting pampered. I'm spending half of my day in the wine and grape spa. I'm really looking forward to this unique experience. So all their treatments are using grapeseed oil or wine, and I'm looking forward to doing some really nice treatments with them. After that, I'm headed to a wine bar called Tapastan. So today is a wine day. Yay! After going to the wine bar, we headed to Noi. So Noi is a brandy factory. There are two of them in Yerevan. One is Ararat and one is Noi. I haven't been to Ararat, so I can't speak about it, but I really like the experience in Noi. It's basically an historical castle which is turned into a brandy factory now, and you get to taste a 1944 port wine, and at the end of the whole tour you also get a tasting session where you can taste a 5 and 10-year-old brandy. It's more about the history than distilling the brandy. So that is what the whole tour was about. It was very interesting. I absolutely loved the experience. Okay, so this is another hidden gem of Yerevan. It's called 12 Tables. Let's go inside and check it out. So as you walk into the store, there's this beautiful boutique with gorgeous souvenirs. I think the jewelry is handmade, and there's some clothing as well for sale. And then as you head inside, that's where all the tables are. So after 12 tables, I headed to the room, got freshened up a bit, changed, and I was meeting a couple of friends, and headed to this gorgeous place called El Garden. Oh my god, I cannot believe why I haven't been here before. It's insanely gorgeous. It's open air, the weather is beautiful. They have these little igloo tent like things where you can sit and have your dinner. It's a gorgeous ambience, extremely romantic, but at the same time, you can also bring your families there and have a little picnic. They have this little farm like thing for kids to run around. There are little rabbits and tortoises and things like that to play with them. It's amazing. I just absolutely fell in love with this place. The nature is gorgeous. If you are in Yerevan long enough, you must come here. It's a bit away from the city, but yeah, you must visit this place. It is so pretty.